What's up guys, I want to make a short video explaining how to disable your SOS teleaid system. Mine will keep buzzing, a very light ring, and it's so annoying, and I've been trying to figure out how to get this thing off. And I have a couple of these tools. You basically just want a panel popper clip tool. Open this baby up. There's a couple clips, safer from the back. Open it up, pop off the light. And this is for a W208 Mercedes. I have a CLK320, but it'll work for any dome lights that look like this. And you got 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna undo these screws. Be right back. All right, so basically, I brought this down. I undid it. It just comes right down. You don't have to pull any clips or anything. And I already undid the evil wires. This one, I believe actually this was the actual culprit. This was plugged in here, unplugged. This was plugged here, unplugged. This was plugged into this black wire, unplugged, or no, this small wire, unplugged that. This one was plugged right above this blue one. And I unplugged those, and then this blue one and this white one are the inputs and outputs for these dome lights. So I like my dome lights. I'm keeping my dome lights. So I unplugged everything that had to do with everything else besides the dome lights. So if you want to understand, if you have buzzing noise coming from your teleaid SOS, then there you go. That's how you fix it. God bless.